Okay.
Julie, can you not squeak for this? Like, just can you not do that?
Hey guys! Hey guys! Oh! Hey guys!
Ah! Do you want to write a script?
Yes! Hey guys! Welcome back. Today I have a snow day, so I'm gonna make some cookies. So without further ado, let's get baking.
Half a cup of softened butter, half cup white sugar, half cup packed brown sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of hot water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of chocolate chips. You also need a mixer. To start, you will want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Next, cream together your butter, white sugar, and brown sugar until they are nice and smooth. Then the egg and vanilla extract. Pour the baking soda into the hot water and mix until it is dissolved. Then add to the mixer. Don't forget the salt. Add in the flour as well.
They asked me how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. We're not really fine.
To avoid that from happening, add in the flour very slowly. Next, you are going to take a pan and you are going to scoop spoonfuls of cookie dough onto the pan. You should be able to fit about 6 on. And what is on my shirt? Is that flour? Flashbacks?
Yep, it was the flour. I checked the footage. Anyway, continue scooping out cookie dough and putting them on the pan. When you have finished, place them in the oven. Bake them for 10 minutes or until the edges are brown. Plate the cookies and repeat this for the rest of the cookie dough. So I just finished making all 18 cookies, and we have Abby here to try one. So if you make them same size as mine, like I said, I made 18 3 batches. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for baking with me. Have a good day. Bye.
I was ready to blow me down.
Hi sisters, James Charles here. Welcome back to my channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya?